Hello, and welcome to the Reiki Gem Wellness channel. And today we're going to be doing a third eye chakra guided meditation. For those who have been watching the chakra videos, welcome back. I really appreciate your support and your interest in your chakra healing journey. And for those who are new to the channel, my name is Shannon, and I'm a certified Reiki master and teacher and a certified gemologist, and I combine those skills and passions to provide you with the knowledge, tools, and opportunities to practice incorporating crystal healing into your everyday life. And today, we're working with the third eye chakra. And a few things to know before we begin, that if you haven't already watched the video, Third Eye Chakra and Crystal Healing, then I'll link that in the eye above, along with the playlist for the entire chakra healing series. So if you haven't already watched the third eye video, you may want to pause this one and go check that out so you can see all about the realm of the third eye chakra and how it relates to our everyday life. Then I recommend having a journal so that right after this meditation, you can write down anything that rises up for you, anything that stands out, whether it's physical sensations, emotions, thoughts. If one of the scenarios seems really comfortable or triggers you, write that all down, because you're creating your own personal map of your chakra health system. Then we do have a private Facebook group for those who'd like to talk about their chakra healing journey some more. It's Chakras and Crystal Healing, and I'll link to that Facebook group below. Then, if you have any of the third eye chakra gemstones, I'm going to be working with amethyst today, then you might want to go get that and set that next to you. If you do want to purchase more third eye gemstones and jewelry, like I have these bracelet and gemstone sets and pendants and tumbled gemstones, all available through my online crystal healing store, and the link to that is below. And then the final thing that you'll need to get started with this meditation is a comfortable seat. So that can be on a cushion on the floor, in a chair, or outside on the ground, whatever allows you to remain alert and comfortable during the meditation for about 10 minutes. And so if you have your third eye chakra gemstone and you have your comfortable seat, then let's get started. So then close your eyes and start taking some slow, deep breaths. And just bring your attention to what it feels like to breathe right now. And bringing your attention to those places on your body that connect to the chair or the ground beneath you. And just remember that you are sitting on top of the entire earth, directly over the center, no matter where you are, and that you have access and connection to all of the energy of the earth. So it will guide and support you during this meditation. So if you have your third eye chakra gemstone, then place that in your non-dominant hand. And this is your receiving hand, and will receive the energy from this gemstone as we go through this guided meditation. And just sit and hold the gemstone for a minute. And notice how you react to it, emotionally, physically. And your third eye is located right in the middle of your forehead, above your eyebrows and right in the middle. And imagine a swirling energy there in the middle of your forehead. And as if there were a clock placed right in front of this area, imagine the energy swirling in a clockwise direction. And without overthinking this or trying to make something happen, just see what the flow of that energy looks like. How fast is it swirling? How opened or closed is the eye in the middle? Just see what appears for you naturally and take note of that. And then as you're holding your gemstone, consider the following scenarios that are related to the third eye chakra and how they may relate to your life right now. Do you feel you have a connection with your intuition? Or do you feel like you can't access it? Do you trust your gut feelings? Do you feel like you have them? Or do you constantly doubt and question them? Or do you feel solid in their information? Are you able to sit in meditation? Or does sitting alone with your inner experience make you uncomfortable? Or do you prefer sitting in meditation to being in the outside world? How do you feel about meditation in your life? Do you have access to any sort of psychic ability? If you don't, do you think you could learn it? Or do you feel cut off? Or an opposite, do you feel overwhelmed by your experience? All of these situations are within the realm of the third eye. Notice which one of these stand out to you. And then release the imagery of the third eye energy and release those situations. And then just come back to breathing. Just come back to your normal breath. And when you feel ready, then open your eyes. And thank you so much for joining me today for a third eye chakra crystal meditation. And I hope that you found this useful and that this is a good idea or good insight for your chakra health. And right after this video is a good opportunity to take out your journal and write down anything that stood out to you. And then go back to the third eye chakra and crystal healing video and take your notes so that you can determine whether you have a balanced or an overactive or a blocked chakra, and then determine which gemstones you'd like to work with to bring your chakra back to balance. Now, you may feel really comfortable with the health and the status of your third eye chakra, and that's totally okay because we don't all need to work on every chakra. We don't need to, but it is important to look at them all so that we know which ones feel balanced and which ones need a little bit more attention. So if you've just joined in on this chakra journey and you'd like to start from the beginning, make sure to reference the intro to chakras and crystal healing and the full chakra series playlist. And if you're new to my channel, I'm going through the entire chakra system, and next we will be following with the crown chakra and then the hand chakras. And also, I go over a new gemstone every single week with informative videos about the supportive and healing benefits, and then guided meditations designed specifically for those gemstones. So if you're interested in learning how all of these crystals can help support you in your practical everyday life, make sure to hit the subscribe button so you won't miss a single gemstone video. Thank you, and I look forward to seeing you next week.